Hello, paint peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. This girl's getting her neutrals on. I came out here to play. I had a little bit of a vision last night as I was falling asleep, so I came out to do it. I've got some yummy colors. Let's start with our base coat. Our base coat is our slop bucket paint. That is scrapings and leftovers from previous pours. I keep them in a cupboard behind me out of the sun. And I doctor them up a little bit. If I need them thinner, I add a little GAC 800 and water to them. If I need them thicker, I add a little bit of Floetrol to them. And what I do is I strain them. I buy these inexpensive throwaway paper strainers from Lowe's, and I strain my paints in case any of the drippings or whatnot have any goobers in them. So that's a pretty color. This is probably some Vallejo Pearl Medium, some Satin Enamel Neutral Beige, some taupes. I have red slop buckets, blue slop buckets, cream colored, white, black, all color slop buckets, and I love to use them up because it's a good thing to do. Our other colors are just yummy. I love this palette, and we'll put this one right here. Let's start with this guy. If you have not tried this paint, this color is glorious. That's Decoart Dazzling Metallics. That is their Mink Pearl, and it's very underused, and it is just neutral, pinky, pearly, taupey kind of goodness. So I am very fond of that. This right here is just yummy goodness as well. Look at that. Can you see the bit of the shimmer in there? That is this little piggy. Let me turn it around for you. And that is their Prehnite, a yummy pigment. Now, I dispersed my pigments with GAC 800, and then I adjust my pouring medium for my piggy. I like to use GAC, a little bit of my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, and Floetrol, and then I thickened it up by adding a little bit of Floetrol to it. Floetrol is the European version of our Floetrol. It's just much thicker. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous as well. This is Decoart Americana, and this is called Thicket. Yeah, kind of a cool name. Definitely a beautiful pastel-y kind of blue gray color. Really nice. Right here, Decoart Satin Enamel in the neutral beige. It kind of gives me some puffy reactions going on. And then right here is Decoart Metallics in the white pearl. I have all these little bottles of Decoart all over the place, so I wanted to kind of start utilizing them. Decoart, you need to put your paints in bigger bottles. I am just not a fan of throwing away all those little 2-ounce plastic bottles. Bigger bottles, Decoart, please and thank you. 18 by 18 canvas. And what else? I'm gonna do, I think, some flip cupping. I'll probably put down a very thin layer of my base coat on the top. The thinner the layer, the more paint I can add to it. I just need a slick surface for my paints to travel across, and then we'll look at what the upper part of this painting looks like, and that'll help me determine what we're going to do on the bottom half, guys. I am glad you're here. Listen, any questions ever, reach out in the comments or email me, cozcreationsart@gmail.com. I promise I'll answer you. It might take me a day or two, but I promise I will. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid.